Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made this stew oxtail in the oven. It was so delicious, so authentic, and I know you guys want to know how I did it, so I'm going to show you guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the notification bell so you are notified when I drop a new video. So let's get into it. I have 2 oxtails cut up medium that I got from the store. I already washed it with some vinegar. I'm gonna season with some green seasoning. It will be listed down below what I use to make the green seasoning, and also I'm gonna season with some powder season. This is some onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and a little bit of jerk season. For the color, I love to add my browning. Normally, if I was in Jamaica, I would use the Grace browning, but I use this brand because it's the only one that I could find. So I drizzle some browning on my oxtails and rub that in really nice. You want to ensure your oxtail is very seasoned. It's best to season it overnight, but if not, you want to let it sit for about 1 hour to marinate properly. So I'm gonna brown my oxtail. Even though I'm cooking it in the oven, I added a little bit of oil to my skillet. And then I'm gonna add my oxtail to brown on each side, about 3 minutes on each side. You don't want to fry it too dry, so you just want to get that crispy, nice outside layer. For me, when I'm doing oxtail, I like to brown it because it locks in the flavor. That's my opinion. So I always brown my oxtail. It all comes down to preference. You can cook your oxtail in the oven without browning it, but as I said, I get the better result when I do that. And this is how it looks in the pot while it's searing, guys. I'm gonna take that out and add to my pan. I'm gonna add some more of the green seasoning, and then I'm going to also add some beef stock. I added about half cup of beef stock because when I put the oxtail in the oven, it will build its own juice, so you don't have to add a lot of water. If you don't have any beef stock, you can add some chicken bouillon seasoning to some water, and then you add it to your oxtail. Then I'm going to use some foil paper, cover that up. I preheated my oven at 380 degrees. I'm gonna cook the oxtail for about 4 hours. It's basically a slow cook, so you have to start doing this early. Oxtail takes really long to cook. I prefer to cook it in the oven because it gives me a better flavor. After the oxtail is almost cooked, about 3 hours into cooking, I'm then going to season with my onion, my scallion or green onion, my thyme, my scotch bonnet pepper, and you can add Irish potato if you want, but to me, I don't really put Irish potato in my oxtail. I'm gonna ensure I stir that in properly, and I'm gonna season with some more onion powder and some more garlic powder and a little pinch of salt, but you can taste and add the salt to your preference. I'm then going to mix about 1/4 cup of water in some ketchup and add that to my oxtail and stir that in. I'm going to add it back to the oven and let it finish cooking for the next hour or hour and a half until the oxtail is tender and falling off the bone. And look at that. It was so thick and saucy. It was so delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Once again, please go ahead and subscribe. The recipe will be down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.